Hello friends, in this video we'll go to discuss about basic signal, that is nothing but sinusoidal signal in systems and signals. We know what is about sinusoidal signal. Sinusoidal signal is nothing but it is a most practically usable signal and it is also a periodic signal. Let's see what is the graphical representation of sinusoidal signal. It is the graphical representation of sinusoidal signal. Here the signal time period is t and here we have one zero crossing. Zero crossing is nothing but here we have positive amplitude and here we have negative amplitude, and at that point our signal is crossing the axis. That's why this point is called zero crossing point, and this is the sinusoidal signal. Here it is the amplitude of the sinusoidal signal. Amplitude is nothing but peak value. Okay, it's the positive peak value and it is the negative peak value of the sinusoidal signal. Okay, now let's see the mathematical representation of sinusoidal signal f of t. Now I consider the sinusoidal signal as f of t. F of t is equal to a sine of omega t, where a is the amplitude of the sinusoidal signal. Amplitude is nothing but voltage of the sinusoidal signal. Okay, and sine omega t, omega is the frequency and t is the time period of the sinusoidal signal. We can write omega in terms of frequency also, and omega also frequency, but omega is in terms of radians. I want to represent omega in terms of frequency, then omega is equal to 2 pi f. Okay, now let's see simple definition for sinusoidal signal. A sinusoidal signal is a basic fundamental periodic signal which is used in practical application. This is the simple and easy definition for sinusoidal signal. I hope you have understand. Thank you for watching this video.